Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to turn off MyKey on Ford without admin key. Alright, so let's begin. This feature is useful for safety, but sometimes it can be annoying if you want full control over your car's audio system. So if you're dealing with a volume restriction, this guide will help you fix it. First of all, make sure you are using your admin key or key fob, because without admin access you won't be able to change MyKey settings. Start your car using the admin key, then go to your vehicle's information display using the controls on your steering wheel. From the main menu, scroll down and select settings. After that, look for the MyKey option and select it using the OK button or the right navigation arrow. Now use the arrow buttons to navigate through the available features until you find the volume limit option. Once you find it, select it and choose to disable or turn it off. Confirm your selection and that's it. The volume restriction should now be removed. If this method doesn't work, there is another option. You can clear all MyKeys from your system. To do this, go to the sync screen in your Ford vehicle. Tap on settings, then go to vehicle and select MyKey. From here, follow the on-screen instructions to clear all MyKeys. Once cleared, all restrictions, including the volume limit, will be removed and every key will return to admin status. Alternatively, you can also use the information display again. Navigate to settings, then MyKey, and press and hold the OK button until you see a message confirming that all MyKeys have been cleared. Keep in mind you cannot remove MyKey restrictions one by one, you must clear all of them at once. Also, if you're unable to clear MyKey, it likely means you are not using an admin key. In that case, check your owner's manual or verify your key's permissions, and that's it. This is how you can turn off MyKey on Ford without admin key. That's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.